Pinga was serious. Guys, thank you so much. It's Makamugenda right now. I have started this session. We call it Nyatiti vibe. Here I'm in Congo River. Yeah, Congo River. So I just want to start this session. Keep on watching. It's Makamugenda. This is an evening session here in Congo. Inganya kuri. Hey, joke my bad. Kale boys. Ya Bernade. Inti mafine. Iko ngani Makamugenda ni YouTube channel. Akwayo manani by the time mtakuwa online just follow YouTube, subscribe. Mimi ni YouTuber. Jina inaitwa Makamugenda. Makamugenda. Maka is M-A-K-A. Mugenda. Yeah. Sasa. Keep on watching, guys. This is Maka. This is an evening session. We have started. This is how we do it every day, every session. Yeah. Gotta ver. I have decided to follow Caesar. Thank you so much, it's Makamugenda, bringing this Nyatiti vibe. Gotta ver. Garabe, yaui, garabe, coño, gada. Yo! Yeah. I have decided to follow Caesar. I have decided to follow Caesar, to follow him. Night with it. Gotta ver. Yeah. Gotta ver. Coño, gana. Yeah. Gotta ver. Digini coño yo luo, kamo kimaisa nyo yego, apenda seko ye. Gotta ver, coño gana. Yo. I have decided to follow Caesar. I have decided to follow Caesar. I have decided to follow her. Yeah. karabe konyo ganda. Maye, nigi konyo joluo, tamogi masani oyego, abenda sekai. Karabe, yawoi karabe, yojande karabe, kanda. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. This is Makamugenda. This is an evening session. Just keep on watching. It's Makamugenda. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Makamugenda. This is an evening session, guys. Here in Diani, I'm just giving you a vibe. We call it Nyatiti vibe. This is how we do it every day. Yeah. Nyatiti vibe, guys. Keep on watching. It's Makamugenda. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel at the time you are watching. Baby guy, you my cocorico. Baby guy, yeah. Come baby guy, you my cocorico. Come baby guy, yeah. We are going. Excuse me, my name is Mark. I have a YouTube channel. Please, by the time you'll be online, follow, subscribe. Keep on watching, guys. It's Mark. This is live on recording. It's in YouTube. Just keep on watching. Keep on watching. Keep on watching, guys. It's Makamugenda. This is a very nice thing. You my cocorico. Baby gali, yeah. Baby gali, you my cocorico. My time so special, my time. I don't wanna talk. Hey! I don't wanna talk. I don't wanna talk. Nyatiti dance is a kaya dance. So in Jacoleko, shake your body, shake your bang bang. Gego, kata. Ni dance kanungo ya kanungo, yeah. Dance kanungo dego kanungo ya wa. Kitu kama saa moja hivi. Kamba biga yuma kokoriko, yeah. time so special, my time. I don't wanna talk so, my time. Keep on watching. Thank you so much. Yawane no nyakomoro kato nyingenga Dobendo nyalo miel koda nyingenga Iya Nunge maraja Iya Nunge maraja Kati ore mane kulo 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 Thank you so much. Wololo nyakono gulonge maraja. Kara nyakono gulonge maraja. Yeah. Yawane no nyakomoro kato nyingenga. Dobendo nyalo miel koda nyingenga. Gulonge maraja. Hello. Kati ore mane kulo 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 Dio mopi Gulonge maraja Iya Gulonge maraja Yeah Yawane no nyakomoro kato nyingenga Dobendo nyalo miel koda nyingenga Iya Gulonge maraja Wololo Gulonge maraja Gulonge maraja Yawane no nyakomoro kato nyingenga Dobendo nyalo miel koda nyingenga Iya Gulonge maraja Gulonge maraja Gulonge maraja Hello. Hi. My name is Makamugenda. I'm a musician through our YouTube channel. So in case you'll be online, please subscribe. It's called Makamugenda. Maka is M-A-K-A. M-A-K-A space Mugenda. M-A-K-A space. Okay. This is okay. Have a birthday.
Eche. Are you on Instagram?
Yeah.
Maka.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's telling me your video tomorrow.
Yo. What is it?
That one. Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, keep on watching.
Okay.
Sunday.
Makamugenda.
Keep on watching.
You're so smart.
Thank you so much. Mugenda. Yeah. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Right now is a evening session. This is it. Yeah, that one. With M-A-K-A. Yeah. manyo matek mo. Komoro katonye, tobeno nyalo kodanye. Ala neno nyakomoro katonye, tobeno nyalo kodanye. Kadi ore mane kulo. Dio mopi. Engelonge marajano. Yawa. Yo, Ilonge marajano. Komoro katonye, tobeno nyalo kodanye. Ala neno nyakomoro katonye, tobeno nyalo kodanye. Keep on watching, guys. This is Makamugenda. This is an evening session. This is Nyatiti vibe. I just give you a vibe how it is. This is how vibe is, guys. Just keep on watching. It's very humble. It's a very nice Sunday. Today I'm here in Diana. Today's no work, no evening walk, guys. Yeah, it's just about chilling, and giving you some vibes, some of variety vibes. Yeah, so this is how it is. It is what it is today. Yeah. The next song I'll be giving you the song called "A War." Anajugua, anaweka, anajugua, anaweka. Yeah. Hello. Eroban viene, Erobanu viene, Banu viene, Banu viene, Banu viene, Banu viene, Banu viene. Yeah. Erobanu viene, Banu viene. Yeah, jump. Oh, you Lore, oh, dear, no, she was born late in the night. Let me come. Yeah. Guys, keep on watching. This is how we do it. Some points you have to follow them. You see them? They're going, nigga.
No, she was born late in the night. Her mother was a proud woman, she walks her father was a tough woman, he walks. Hello, Van Viende. Hello, Van Viende. Yep. Ya Van Viende. Hello, Van Viende. No Van Viende. No Van Viende. Van Viende. Anajugua, anaweka. Anajugua, anaweka. Yay!
Keep on watching, guys. Maka is very nice evening. Hello, my name is Maka. I have a YouTube channel. Follow YouTube, subscribe. It's called Makamugenda. Thank you. Yeah, this is a very nice evening, guys. I see this right now. We have already approached this season we call high season. This is season why. Yeah, you see, there's a lot of people, guys. Yeah, watu ni wengi sana this season. But still, we are in November, and you know it's not. It's rare. Yeah, just 1 minute. I'll be back, guys, for a period.
Soy un hombre sincero. Dedo de crecer a palmar. Y antes de morir me quiero. Échame el hilo Guantanamera. Guarida Guantanamera. Guantanamera.
watching, eh? Yeah, this is Makamugenda. We are here in Diani, guys. This is a nice evening. Just chilling here with some vibes. I don't know if copyright will take my recording, but still there's no problem because this is an evening session. Yeah, mine is just to conquer, do some vibes, yeah, and enjoy with you. Yeah, when I see my clock right now is 5:30. 1 minute left. Yeah, guys, keep on watching this Makamugenda right now in YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. And right now, I just want to the recording. I'll be back soon, very soon, very soon. Just keep on watching this Makamugenda. This is how we do it. This is an evening session, guys. Keep on watching. And right now, I'm in the beach. When you look around, you will see how beach is. Today is a Sunday, but this Sunday, I don't see there's no people compared to the other Sundays, because when you see population is very like the way it is.